Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Honda CR-V. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, power passenger seat. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.